Alex with Integra Cove. I'm a leasing specialist here. I'm here to take you on a tour of our A1 apartment home. This is actually our smallest one-bedroom, but oh my goodness, is it so spacious. Like, this is the kitchen right here. It is huge. It's so awesome. Let's take a tour. Wasn't that amazing? For being 638 square foot, I mean, it is incredible the amount of space that you still have. The humongous kitchen, the living room, you can really make this place home, and it is super comfortable. You can apply on our website, listed down below. You can also give our offices a call to reserve an apartment home. We hope to see you soon. Thanks.